Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the robot vacuum and mop combo, a versatile cleaning powerhouse designed to tackle hard floors, pet hair, and carpets with ease. This 2-in-1 mopping robot vacuum boasts 1,400 pascals powerful suction and a 230 milliliters electronically controlled water tank, ensuring thorough cleaning across various surfaces like laminate, ceramic tile, and granite. With the convenience of the Tuya smart app and Google Assistant voice control, you can effortlessly set cleaning plans, change modes, and direct the vacuum as needed, all while enjoying the flexibility of a remote control. Its advanced 3D obstacle avoidance technology and ultra-slim 2.87-inch design allow it to navigate tight spaces and avoid obstacles like walls and stairs, ensuring no corner is left untouched. The robot offers a 100-minute runtime thanks to its 2,500 mAh battery, automatically returning to its charging base when needed, and features 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, and Zigzag, to suit your home's unique needs. The brushless suction port design prevents clogs from pet hair, making it ideal for pet owners, while the package includes everything you need to get started, from the remote control to the water tank and dustbin.